Now let us look at an example of function overriding. So for explanation, already I have taken a class called base, which is having a function called display. We have already written this type of class, so I am not typing it again here. Then I have a derived class which is not having anything, but it is inheriting from base class. So whatever is available in base class, that is display function, is also available in derived class. Now let us implement main function. Inside this, I will create an object of derived class d. Then I will call d.display. Let us see what happens. The message is display of base. This function is defined only once, that is in base class, also available in derived class, and I can call this function. Let me run what message I get. I got a message as display of base. Now, inside the derived class, let me write a public function void display. So again I am writing the function that is already borrowed from base class, but here I will say display of derived and NL. Now derived class is having its own version of display function. Though it is borrowing a display function from base class, it has defined its own version again. Now if I create an object of derived class and call display function in main, let us see what happens. Display of derived is called. Oh, so it means when you create an object of derived class or child class and call overrided function, then the child class version will be called. Now the same function, same signature, everything is same is defined here. So this is function overriding. Let us try something here. I will make it take some argument. Now what happens if I call the function? See this one. I am getting a message that too few arguments to call, expected one, have 0. Did you mean base display? Replace display with base display? So that's what the error message I am getting, because this is not function overriding. Function overriding means the prototype of a function must be as it is same. It cannot have any variation at all. So here it is asking me whether you want to fix it. I'll fix this one. Now d.display scope resolution base, and this function will be called now. Display base function will be called. It's not overrided display. It's not overriding. I got a message that display of base. So now to call this function, that is display of derived class, then I must pass some parameter, something 10. Now this function will be called. So when you do overriding, make sure that the signature or the prototype of function is as it is same. Otherwise it is not taken as function overriding. It will become function overloading. Now this is function overriding. Let us run once again. Yeah, display of derived. That's it.